So in this class I am going to explain control structures. Okay, so what is control structures? Already we have seen this control structures in C program. Control structures are nothing but to change the flow of the execution of a program. Control structures are used to change the flow of execution of a program. If statement and loops. Okay, if statements and loops. So normally instructions in a program are executed one after the other. Normally in any program, up to now what we have seen, the instructions are executed one after another. But in some situations, some cases like testing a value, so this sequence order to be changed. Sometimes the same set of instructions has to be repeated. Okay, in some situation, based on the condition, we need to execute the statement. Based on the situation or condition, the statements has to be executed by testing a value. In some situation, the same set of statement has to be repeated. In both these situations, the control flow statements helps in changing the flow of execution of a program. The control structures or control flow statements helps in changing the flow of execution of a program. Visual Basic provides control flow statements in two types. One is decision structures, number two is looping structures. Number one, decision structures are decision statements, and number two is looping structures or looping statements. So what is the use of these decision structures? Decision statements or decision structures helps in testing a value. It helps us in testing a value with a relational or logical operator, relational and or logical expressions. For example, if you want to check whether A is greater than B, this is a relational operator. If you want to check whether A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then it is a logical operator. Okay, so in this situation, the decision structure control flow statements will be used to check the conditions by using relational and logical operators or logical expression. Okay, so in the decision structures, in the decision statements, the first one is if statement and second is select case. The first one is if statement, second one is select case. Okay, so in the looping statements, loops will come, that is in the next classes. Okay, coming classes. Okay, now I will discuss about this decision structures, that is if statement. Okay, so if statement and select case. So we already know about this if statement. So what is the use of if statement? If condition or if statement is used to check the condition in a program. For example, whether A is greater than B, then simply we write if A greater than B, then A is big or else B is big. Like that condition we can check with the help of this if statement. Okay, so here if statements are three types: simple if then else, and if then else if else. Okay, so first simple if, then then else, and if then else if. Okay, these are the three types of if statements. Depending upon the situation or depending upon the output, we use the type of if statement. That is, it may be a simple if statement or if then else or if then else if. Okay, simply if we need to check only a single condition, one condition, that we use if. Okay, so if we need to check either or type, whether A is greater than B, means whether A is big or B is big. Okay, so in that situation we use this if then else condition. Okay, if you want to check multiple condition as a series, then we use if then else if. Okay, if condition, else condition, and finally else block is executed. And the alternative of this if statement is select case. Okay, so now see this simple if. If the condition is true, it executes the statements under the if. If the condition is true, it executes the statement under the if statement. Otherwise the control skips to the next instruction. Okay, if the condition is true, if condition, okay, if A greater than B, then the statements below this if are executed. If the condition is true, only the statements below or the statements under if statements will be executed. If A is greater than B, then only the statements which we write under this if condition or if statement will be executed. Otherwise it skips from the if block. Otherwise it skips from the block. So what do you mean by condition? A condition is a combination. For example, a condition may be A greater than B, that is with the help of relation operator. A condition may be using with a logical operator, A greater than B and A greater than C. Okay, so condition, we frame the condition with using this relational and logical operator. This is the example. If age greater than or equals to 18, then you are eligible to vote. Means if the person age is above 18, then only the condition will be true. If age greater than or equals to, and age is a variable, age is a variable, in that the age, if we give age above 18, it means 18 and 18 above, 18 and 18 above, then it will be executed. The message box will show you are eligible to vote. If we give age below 18, that it is, if we give below, that is 10, below 18 means 10. Okay, in that situation if condition will not be true, it skips from the if it skips from this if block. Okay, it skips from the if block. If the condition is true, only the if block, under the if block statements will be executed. Otherwise it skips from the if block. Okay, so how many types of if statements? Number 1, simple if. Number 2, if then else. Number 3, if then if else. If then else if, then else if, last finally else. Okay, the decision structures are 2, if statement and select case. Okay, select case is an alternative of if statement. Okay, so if is used to take the condition. We already written so many programs by using if statement in C language. Okay, so simple if, only to check a simple condition, single condition. If you want to check 2 condition, we use if then else. Okay, if the condition is true, if block is executed, otherwise else block is executed. Okay, if you want to check multiple conditions, if you want to check more than 2 conditions, for example A greater than B, A greater than C, A greater than D, like that. For example, if you want to check ovals, okay, whether A is oval, E is oval, I is oval, so in that situation, okay, so if you, for example, if you take whether if you got first class, second class, it means marks the average greater than or equal to 60 is a first class, greater than or equals to 50, second class greater than or equal to 40, third class, like that. If you want to check multiple conditions or series of condition, then we use third form, is that is if then else if. In the first for the first one is if condition statement. If the condition is true, only below this if statements are executed. Okay, if age greater than or equals to 80, age is a variable. If we give the variable value above 18 only, or the equals to or above 18 only, this message box will shows you are eligible to vote. Otherwise it skips from the if block. Okay, thank you.